Hey guys, it's Russell back, and on today's video what I wanted to do is show you the power of the clay bar. Now I apologize, we've got about 25-mile-an-hour winds here, but I really wanted to do this video. This is the back of my Dodge, the hatch on the camper top, and there is something on here, probably tree sap, maybe some industrial fallout, who knows what else. I cannot remove. I've tried washing it. I've tried using a variety of different cleaners, alcohol. I've even tried the citral. Nothing will remove this. Let me let you hear it with the baggie test. This feels like sandpaper. It's horrible, and I hope the camera's picking it up, and I apologize again for the wind, but I'm going to show you the power of this clay bar. Now I could clean this with some really fine grade steel wool as a absolute last measure. I really don't like using steel wool on glass. If you do it properly, it's safe, but there is always the possibility that you could have scratching. So what am I going to use? I'm going to use my Wolfgang Uber rinseless wash. I mix this 3 ounces to a gallon of distilled water. I've got it in my double pump sprayer, and I'm just going to go ahead and do this section right here. I'm going to saturate it, and I want you guys to see, and you see how clean both sides of this clay bar, okay? I hope the camera and the mic is picking this up. This is super, and really, on something this bad, I should be using a heavy duty. Look at that. And that's just that one little section. Now I have seen paint that was this bad, but this is just, you know, a lot of people would maybe take a scrub pad to it, maybe a Brillo pad. I'm going to go ahead and use this other clean side before I flip it. The reason that I like the Wolfgang is because it's really slippery. Very slippery. There are other lubes you can use, but this is pretty economical. When you mix it 3 ounces to a gallon, it gives you all the lubrication that you need. Okay, so now we have both sides that look like this. Okay, so when your clay bar gets like this, just fold it over, and this clay bar happens to be an old piece of the Adams that I had. Not really a big fan of their clay. The reason is it's so just really hard to knead. It's about 80 degrees out here right now, and even then, like with the mothers or the chemical guys, it would be very easy to shape. If you've got arthritis in your hands, forget it. But anyway, so we're back to a clean surface, and I'm gonna just keep doing this section here. Now you notice I am working in direct sunlight, but that is not a problem. Okay, it's still pulling off contaminants, and I'm gonna take my Eagle cloth, and I'm going to use one more side here, one more clean side, just to go over this. But clay is awesome. Okay, there's a little more that's coming off. You can see that. But the difference, listen, there's actually still a little bit here. So I'm gonna hit it again. All right, now we're getting a really smooth piece of glass there. So I'm not sure if the camera is able to really pick up the contrast, but it is a huge difference. Yeah, see, that's smooth like it's supposed to be, and this is just... So I'm going to use my clay and do this entire back glass, but I wanted to just do this real quick and just show you guys the power of automotive clay.